The vulva is a very important part of a woman's body. It's the outside part that you can see. The vulva is responsible for sexual pleasure. It also helps with going to the bathroom. Understanding the vulva is important for women's health. The vulva is made of many different parts. Each part has a special job. We will talk about these parts in the next section. It's important to remember that every vulva is different. Let's take a closer look at the different parts of the vulva and understand their functions. First, we have the mons pubis. This is the rounded area located above the pubic bone. It has a layer of fat that cushions and protects the pubic bone. After puberty, this area becomes covered in pubic hair, which provides additional protection. Next, we have the labia majora, also known as the outer lips. These are the larger, fleshy folds of skin. The labia majora are covered in skin and hair, and they serve to protect the more delicate structures inside the vulva. Then, there's the labia minora, or the inner lips. These are thinner and more delicate than the labia majora. The labia minora are located just inside the outer lips and can vary greatly in size and colour from person to person. They are highly sensitive and can become engorged with blood, changing size and colour when a woman is aroused. The labia minora surround the vaginal opening, which is the passage through which menstrual blood leaves the body and where a baby is born during childbirth. Just above the vaginal opening is the urethra, a small but important opening where urine exits the body. This opening is separate from the vaginal opening and plays a crucial role in the urinary system. Now, let's talk about the most exciting part, the clitoris. This small but mighty organ plays a crucial role in female sexual pleasure and is often misunderstood or overlooked. The clitoris is a small, sensitive organ located at the top of the vulva, where the inner lips meet. It is often described as the female counterpart to the male penis. Many people think only the small, visible part is the clitoris, but it actually extends inside the body. The internal structure includes two long branches called crura that extend along the vaginal walls. The clitoris is full of nerve endings, making it incredibly sensitive. In fact, it has about 8,000 nerve endings, which is more than any other part of the human body. When it is touched, it can create feelings of pleasure. This is why understanding and exploring the clitoris can significantly enhance sexual experiences. The clitoris is like the penis in men. Both organs develop from the same embryonic tissue and have similar structures, including a glans and a shaft. It is the main source of sexual pleasure for women. Understanding its anatomy and function can lead to more fulfilling and pleasurable sexual experiences. The inner lips and other parts of the vulva are also sensitive to touch. These areas, along with the clitoris, contribute to the overall sexual pleasure and arousal in women. Section 4. The science of vulvar pleasure. Scientists have done many studies on the vulva. They have found that the clitoris has thousands of nerve endings. This is more than any other part of the body. These nerve endings send signals to the brain when they are stimulated. These signals create feelings of pleasure. Scientists have also found that different women experience pleasure in different ways. Section 5. The vulva. A source of amazing pleasure. So, can the vulva feel pleasure? Absolutely. The vulva is an incredible part of the female anatomy that is often misunderstood or overlooked. The vulva, especially the clitoris, is designed for pleasure. The clitoris alone has over 8,000 nerve endings, making it highly sensitive. Understanding the different parts of the vulva and how they work can help women experience more pleasure. This includes knowing about the labia, the vaginal opening, and the clitoral hood. It's important for women to learn about their bodies and what feels good to them. Self-exploration and education are key to this understanding. This knowledge can help them have healthier and more fulfilling sexual experiences. Open communication with partners can also enhance these experiences. Remember, every woman's body is different, and what feels good for one woman might not feel the same for another. Embrace your uniqueness and take the time to discover what brings you joy.